Remember, it was Kirchhoff's voltage law. It says summation summation of directed voltages on a loop is 0. What's a loop? Loop is a closed path. Assume you have a circuit like that. For example, you start from this point, you continue like that. When you reach the same point, it means you draw a loop. If you add the voltages, on that loop, there are 3 voltages on that loop. KVL says summation should be 0. But while adding those voltages, you have to consider the directions. It means while following the path, if you see first a minus sign, it means there is a voltage increase. Okay, if you switch from minus to plus, like that, minus to plus V1, it means there is a voltage increase. So you should write plus V1 and continue. You see a plus minus, it means there is a voltage drop. Okay, the right side is lower than the left side. Okay, so you have to write minus V2 and continue. You see a plus sign, then minus, it means there is a voltage drop again. V3, summation is 0. Okay, because you reach the same node, okay, the same point. Similarly, assume that there is another voltage here, V5. You can apply another KVL like that. You start from here, continue. You see a minus first, so there is a voltage increase, plus V3. Then continue, minus plus. There is a voltage increase again, plus V5 is equal to 0. So you can say V3 is equal to minus V5. Okay. Let's apply on a real circuit. Question: what's V source? Voltage of the current source. We know that voltage and current of a source is not dependent. Okay, so you can actually, I know the current, but I cannot know the voltage with current. So I need to apply KVL, and then I can find the voltage. Before that, I know the voltage of voltage source. What's the voltage of resistor? Assume that this is the voltage of the resistor. What's the voltage of the resistor? Current times resistance. What's the current? 1 amp, 1 amp, 1 amp. Okay, 1 ampere of current is coming. So resistance is 2 volts. Okay. Remember the Ohm's law. This is the Ohm's law. Gives the relationship between voltage and current of the resistor. It assumes the directions of voltage and current is like that. Okay. You have to you have to declare the current entering from positive in order to use Ohm's law. Instead, it will not work. If you say the current is from negative to positive, Ohm's law will not work. It is wrong. Okay. So it's 2 volts. If it's 2 volts, then I can easily apply the KVL. Let me write 2 volts here. So start from a point and add the voltages considering the directions. Started from here, minus plus, there is a voltage increase. Continue, minus plus, there is a voltage increase. Continue, plus minus, there is a voltage drop. V source is equal to 0. So V source is equal to 7 volts. Okay. Similarly, it seems this circuit seems very simple, but it's confusing. 10 volts IV, 10 amps VI. What's IV? What's VI? If you apply KCL, you can find the current. If you apply KVL, you can find the voltage. Okay? KCL on this node. Entering current is 10. 10 is coming from here. 10. Okay? Exiting current is IV. That's it. Okay? If you apply KVL rule, you start from a point and follow the path, minus plus 10 volts, so there is a voltage increase. Continue, minus plus, there is a voltage increase again, plus VI is equal to 0. So VI is equal to minus 10 volts. Okay.